Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, update Chrome so settings behave predictably. Once done, disable extensions that change pages. Next, open Settings and go straight to Appearance to enable the Home button and to on Startup to control what opens when you launch Chrome. Make sure you're on the correct profile. If not, switch profiles now so changes apply to the right account. These steps prevent conflicts and get you ready to set the original home page. Now you'll set the home page and search defaults. Choose Show Home button and type https://www. Google.com so the home icon always returns you to Google. Then go to On Startup and pick open a specific page. Add https://www. Google.com as the page to open. After that, double-check search engine settings and set Google as the default so the Omnibox and homepage match. These two changes align Chrome's behavior with the original experience and stop surprises from conflicting search providers. Finish by restarting Chrome and testing the Home button, New tab, and Startup page to confirm Google loads. If changes don't stick, use Reset and Clean Up to restore settings to original defaults. This removes hidden tweaks without deleting bookmarks. Make sure Chrome Sync is on so your preferences persist across devices, or sign out to test locally. If a profile is corrupt, create a fresh profile and import bookmarks and passwords. Troubleshooting tip: persistent homepage changes usually mean an extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.